Hello friends, welcome to project. Myself Chine Samruddhi from class MSc second. Topic name is to study the feeding behavior of some selected freshwater gastropods. First, what is a gastropod? The gastropod is commonly known as snails and sludge belongs to a large taxonomic class of invertebrates within the phylum Mollusca called Gastropoda. This class comprises snails and sludge from salt water, from freshwater and from the land. But here we only considered freshwater gastropods for our experiment. Next one is a freshwater gastropod. There are two species of freshwater gastropods. First one is Melanoides tuberculata and second one is Physa acuta. Firstly, we can see Melanoides tuberculata. Systematic position are kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Gastropoda, superfamily Cerithiodea, family Thyridae, genus Melanoides, and the species are tuberculata. Now, the habit and habitat of Melanoides tuberculata. Habitat are they can survive in natural environment and common places that land snails inhabitat, in gardens, field, agricultural areas, river banks or streams, jungles, forests, etc. which is a habitat. The next one is a Physa acuta. Systematic position of Physa acuta are kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Gastropoda, superfamily Lemannioideae, subfamily Physidae, tribe Physaline, genus Physella, and the species Acuta. These are the systematic position. Now next one is the habitat. Physa acuta occurs in lotic. Lotic refers to running water habitat and lentic refers standing water habitat. Water such as ditches, pond, lakes, small streams and rivers. It is generally found amongst vegetations. Next, material. Now the material which used for the experiment. First one is a conical flask, beaker, forceps for the handling animals in laboratory as well as collection site. Water we use animals natural habitat water, spinach leaves, pumpkin seeds, chicken for the feeding purpose, and balance for taking the weight of animals. Next is a collection. Next one is collection. We collected gastropod shells by hand from the pond near the college garden. Leaving these gastropod species were collected and stored in an aerated bucket with some algae from the water near their collection. 2 days later, we stored the species. We only use Physa acuta and Melanoides tuberculata for whole experiment. Here some photographs from the collection site which is clicked near the college garden during the collection time. Experimental setup. I am conducted this experiment under the guidance of Mr. Raide sir. It is about 8 days experiment. For this, firstly we decided the food for feeding, constructed setup for both the species first Melanoides tuberculata and the species second Physa acuta. For the species first, that is Melanoides tuberculata, have 4 sets, that is set A, set B and set C. In each set have 4 animal of species first Melanoides tuberculata and the same set perform for the second species, that is Physa acuta. Before adding the animal on the set the animals are weighted. The first for species first animal weights are set A, first species 0.32 gram, second 0.34 gram, third 0.27 gram, fourth 0.28 gram. Set B, first species 0.33 gram, second 0.29 gram, third 0.36 gram, and fourth 0.26 gram. Set C, first is 0.36 gram, second 0.39 gram, and third 0.38 gram, and fourth 0.24 gram. The weight for the second species, set A has set A first is 0.10 gram, set species second 0.15 gram, third 0.14 gram, fourth 0.13 gram. Set B first is 0.16 gram, second 0.15 gram, third 0.19 gram, fourth 0.14 gram. Set C first is 0.11 gram, second 0.15 gram, third 0.15 gram, and fourth 0.14 gram. It is all about the weighted animal weight for experiment. Now the food which is provided to the species during the experiment. For set A we provided spinach leaves, for set B we provided pumpkin seeds, and the set C we provided the chicken pieces. Result: according to the experiment, which is 8 days experiment, both the species, that is Melanoides tuberculata and Physa acuta, are varied in weight and shape also according to their food preference. In set A and B, animals are grow in their weight than set C, and set C also shows the normal growth as compared to set A and set B. It is a result to our experiment. Next one is a conclusion. Here we concluded that both the species, that is Melanoides tuberculata and Physa acuta, are mostly or firstly preferred the spinach leaves and then pumpkin seed and chicken pieces. Now last and most important, special thanks. A big thank for our lovable principal Dr. B.S. Yadav sir, our head of department Mr. Dr. Gowri sir, whole teaching and non-teaching staff in zoology department KJ Somaya College Kopargaon, and also my all classmates. Thanks and the special thanks to Mr. Raite sir for guiding me. Under the instruction of sir, I am completed my project. Thank you. Thanks. I hope you have understand what can I explain. Have a nice day.